Today we're covering patio sinking on one side, causes and repair options. Here's what you need to know. Sunken patios happen due to soil settlement, poor drainage, or frost heave. Repair costs range $500 to $3,000. Learn what causes it and your fix options. Quick answer. Patio sinking on one side happens when soil beneath the slab loses density, usually from poor drainage, frost heave, or inadequate subgrade compaction. Repair costs $500 to $3,000 depending on slab size and method. Mudjacking, polyurethane foam injection, and full replacement are all viable options. A patio that sinks unevenly doesn't just look wrong. It creates a trip hazard and accelerates concrete deterioration. Water pools on the low side, cracks widen, and the problem spreads if left untreated. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We've repaired hundreds of settling patios across North Carolina, and the fix depends entirely on what caused the sink. This post walks you through the causes, repair costs, and your options, so you can make a decision backed by facts, not guesswork. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in patio repair and replacement, including assessment of settling slabs caused by soil compaction failure and inadequate subgrade preparation. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Most one-sided patio sinking repairs cost between $500 and $3,000 depending on slab size and chosen method. A free on-site evaluation identifies the root cause, whether drainage, frost heave, or foundation shift, and determines the most cost-effective solution. Moving on to what causes patio sinking on one side. Concrete patios settle when the soil beneath them shifts, compacts unevenly, or loses structural support. One-sided sinking tells a specific story. The low side experienced more soil movement than the high side. This differential settlement is the hallmark of poor drainage, inadequate subgrade compaction, or frost heave in freeze-thaw climates. Poor subgrade preparation is the most common culprit. According to the American Society for Testing and Materials, ASTM, concrete slabs must rest on a compacted base layer, typically 4 inches of crushed stone or gravel, compressed to at least 95% standard Proctor density. Many contractors cut corners, applying only 2 to 3 inches, or skip compaction altogether. When weight is applied, the loose base compacts further, and the slab sinks. If one corner received less material or lighter compaction, that side sinks more. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.